Open the image link in description. Type your text and draw a rectangle. Select text layer and rectangle layer by pressing Ctrl. Right-click on the rectangle layer and go to Merge Layers. Wow! Layers are now merged. Now right-click on the image layer, and click on Duplicate Layer. It will duplicate your image. Now drag it to the top. Perfect. Right-click on the layer and click on Create Clipping Mask. OK. Now create a new layer. Top of the first image layer and fill it from deepest black. Select top layer and adjust it carefully until merged layer fill with it. Select brush tool and pick up green from the image. Now brush on the dark points. Select the black colored layer. Change its opacity to 70%. Click on the top layer and go to the layer adjustments at the bottom of the layer panel. Go to levels and make the level layer as a clipping mask. Then adjust it to these records: 0, 1.34, 224. OK. Now click again on image layer. Go to layer adjustment and click on curves. Adjust it carefully. Click on layer 1 and change its curves as I do. Now we are in the final step. Go to Filter, and click on Blur. Now click on Gaussian Blur. Set radius to 2.7. Congratulations! You did it. Subscribe to my channel. Practice until the next video.